Lastly, and this is kind of unscripted because I didn't realize this was going to happen. I don't think any of us did. But I would like to offer some remarks on behalf of the Disability Rights Coalition in response to the Premier's apology that we heard this morning. So, yay, my government finally surprised me. That's new. Mr. Houston, Tim, I'm gonna call you Tim. Tim, thank you for saying things that we have been waiting to hear in the disability community for a very long time. To have my government, I guess our government, it's not just mine, acknowledge, not yet anyway, to have our government acknowledge the pain and the trauma that it has caused. We've been waiting to hear that for decades. And we stand on the backs of thousands and thousands of silenced and hurt people that look like me and John and a lot of other people in this room and their allies. So to finally hear the government admit in very plain language, for the first time, there's that word again, plain language, that what we did, meaning the government, what we did was wrong and hurtful. And just to hear them say, we messed up and we did a bad thing, to have them finally admit that after decades of people like the ones in this room scream about how they were hurt and silenced and traumatized is greatly meaningful, and it's something I personally have been waiting to hear for a decade. So thank you, Mr. Houston, Tim, and I look forward to having you and your government and helping you and your government, along with many of our allies, implement the policies that you say will be announced in a couple of weeks. I'll hold you to that, to make sure that we all live healthy, happy lives as full citizens of Nova Scotia.